One of the most enjoyable aspects of cooking is the opportunity to utilize exciting kitchen gadgets. In this video, we will show you 15 kitchen gadgets. Let's get started. This clever rack features an extendable design, adjusting from 19.2 to 26.7 inches in length. It fits perfectly in kitchens of all sizes. Say goodbye to water puddles. The built-in drain board collects excess water, while the 360-degree rotatable outlet directs it straight to your sink. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this rack resists rust and fingerprints. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse and air dry. Stability is key. 4 anti-slip silicone caps keep the rack firmly in place, protecting your countertops from scratches. Your dishes stay secure thanks to the heightened fence design. No more worries about items slipping or falling. Experience the magic of ProGlide Nonstick interior. Food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. Enjoy delicious meals with little to no oil. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: fry pans, a griddle, saucepans, a Dutch oven, and essential utensils. Your kitchen complete. Cook with confidence thanks to thermospot technology. The heat indicator turns solid red when your pan is perfectly preheated. Even heat distribution is guaranteed with the specially designed base. Achieve perfectly seared, browned, or simmered dishes every time. Comfort meets functionality with ergonomic handles for a secure grip and vented glass lids for easy monitoring while cooking. Introducing Hefty ultra-strong 13-gallon trash bags, where strength meets freshness for your kitchen needs. Each package contains 80 robust bags, available in white with a delightful lavender and sweet vanilla scent. Experience unmatched toughness with these kitchen trash bags. The break-resistant drawstring ensures secure closure every time. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors. Hefty harnesses the power of Arm & Hammer's patented odor neutralizer to keep your kitchen smelling fresh. These bags go beyond the ordinary with triple action technology. They stretch and expand to handle oversized loads without punctures or tears. This comprehensive set includes 18 containers with matching lids, ranging from large 51-ounce rectangles to tiny 1-ounce sauce boxes. Experience airtight, leak-proof storage with high-quality silicone seals and 4 reinforced latches on each container. Say goodbye to food odors in your fridge. These containers keep everything fresh and contained, preserving flavors for longer. Versatility is key. Use these containers in the microwave, freezer, or dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the smooth surface design. For best results, hand wash the lids to maintain their shape. This comprehensive set includes 6 essential knives, each with its own matching blade guard for safe storage. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these blades ensure long-lasting sharpness and durability. Experience effortless slicing with the non-stick color coating on each blade. Say goodbye to food sticking as you chop. Color coding isn't just for looks. It helps prevent cross-contamination by easily identifying which knife was used for different foods. From the versatile 8-inch chef's knife to the precise 3.5-inch paring knife, this set covers all your cutting needs. Introduce efficiency to your cleaning routine with the Amazer dish brush. Its high elasticity PET fiber bristles maintain their shape, tackling tough messes with ease. From pots and pans to sinks and fixtures, this versatile brush is your go-to for all kitchen and bathroom cleaning tasks. The innovative scraper edge design effortlessly removes stubborn food residues and stains. Say goodbye to soaking and scrubbing. Featuring a comfortable, non-slip handle, this brush stays secure in wet hands. Clean with confidence, even during heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic design allows for easy force application, making light work of even the toughest cleaning jobs. Introduce precision to your kitchen with the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. This versatile device weighs items from a mere 2 grams up to 22 pounds. Embrace mess-free measuring with the IPX6 waterproof design. Easily weigh liquids and clean up with a simple wipe. Say goodbye to battery replacements. This scale features a rechargeable battery and includes a USB-C charging cable for convenience. Adapt to any recipe with 5 measurement units. Switch between grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces with ease. The tare feature allows you to subtract container weight, while the hold function locks measurements for easy reading. Say goodbye to bulky colanders. This compact strainer is half the size of traditional options, perfect for kitchens with limited space. Crafted from safe, non-toxic silicone, this BPA-free strainer is built to last. It's heat-resistant, odor-free, and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. Experience hassle-free straining with the clever clip-on design. Simply attach it to your pot or bowl and drain pasta, vegetables, or fruits with ease. Reduce waste and save more of your food. The efficient design ensures minimal loss when straining pasta and other small items. Cleanup is a breeze. Just unclip the strainer and pop it in the dishwasher. It's as easy to clean as it is to use. Transform your kitchen storage with the JOWBOOW Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it offers unparalleled durability and rust resistance. Experience effortless access with the soft close rail system. A gentle pull brings all your items into view, making retrieval a breeze. Maximize your cabinet space with the innovative 2-tier design. Organize more efficiently by separating items between the upper and lower compartments. From heavy pots to delicate spices, this robust organizer handles it all. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance even with frequent use. Revitalize your kitchen sink with Rejuvenate Garbage Disposal Cleaner. This powerful solution instantly cleans, maintains, and deodorizes your disposal unit. Experience the enhanced foaming action that scrubs away built-up food, grease, and odors. It reaches every nook and cranny of your disposal. Say goodbye to foul odors. These pods leave your sink smelling fresh with a choice of delightful lavender or lemon scents. Protect your plumbing with the enzymatic formula. It breaks down food waste, reducing the frequency of septic tank pumping. Maintain peak performance with weekly use. These pods keep your disposal and drains clean and odor-free. Discover the perfect blend of softness and absorbency with Bumble Kitchen hand towels. Crafted from 100% ring-spun cotton, they outperform paper towels in every way. This eco-friendly 6-pack offers 3 different textures, including flat and terry towels. Versatility meets sustainability in your kitchen. From drying dishes to wiping countertops, these towels tackle every task. They're your go-to solution for a cleaner, more sanitary home. Designed to last, these towels maintain their look and feel through multiple wash cycles. Say goodbye to disposable alternatives. Each towel features a convenient hanging loop, keeping your kitchen organized and your towels within easy reach. This rack extends to almost twice its size, accommodating dishes from both single and family-sized meals with ease. Featuring an integrated plug, you can trap water for later draining or direct it away immediately. It's adaptable to your needs. Raised ribs and a sloping base prevent water from pooling under dishes, channeling it towards the draining spout for efficient drying. The non-scratch draining prongs are gentle on all types of glassware and crockery. They're also removable for easy cleaning. A movable cutlery drainer adds versatility, allowing you to customize your drying setup. This versatile pack includes 2 crevice brushes and 1 bendable brush, tackling everything from tight corners to curved surfaces. Crafted with a metal brush head and hard bristles, these tools are built for durability and excellent performance. From faucets to window frames, kitchen sinks to air conditioner filters, no spot is too challenging for these specialized brushes. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable grip and reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Convenient hanging holes allow for easy storage and quick drying after use. Keep your cleaning tools organized and ready. Measuring a generous 16 by 24 inches, this mat accommodates large pots, pans, and plenty of dishes with ease. Crafted from super absorbent nanomaterial, it quickly wicks away moisture while remaining soft to the touch. The thick design offers superior protection for both your countertops and delicate glassware. Say goodbye to scratches and water damage. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse underwater or wash with a mild cleaning solution when needed. Featuring a natural rubber bottom, this mat stays put and prevents water from seeping onto your countertop. Introduce order to your kitchen with the SpaceAid WrapNeat 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer. This bamboo box beautifully stores and dispenses your essential wraps. Measuring 14 inches by 8.5 inch by 3 inches, it's perfectly sized for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper rolls up to 12-inch wide. The 3-slot design offers flexible organization options. Place it in a drawer or hang it on the wall for easy access. Each slot features a built-in slide cutter, ensuring clean cuts every time and keeping roll ends secure. Customize your organization with 21 included label stickers. Quickly identify contents or keep the clean bamboo look. It's your choice. Introduce eco-friendly cleaning to your kitchen with the AIRNEX Natural Kitchen Sponge. Made from biodegradable cellulose and coconut fiber, it's a green choice for conscious consumers. Say goodbye to smelly sponges. The porous structure of this natural sponge allows for quick drying, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Ergonomically designed with a unique S-shape, these sponges reduce hand strain during extended cleaning sessions. Comfort meets functionality. Gentle yet effective, these sponges tackle grease and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Clean with confidence on all your kitchenware.